Hello guys, welcome to my this video. My name is Anuj and today in this JavaScript tutorial I will show you how to pass the additional property in constructor object. So in my previous video I had shown what is the constructor object and what is the benefit of using constructor object. If you haven't watched my previous video, you have to go to my playlist and there you will find JavaScript 0 to advanced. So in that playlist you have to check and you will get all this video. So I will suggest you to first watch the constructor object and then come to this video. So here you can see I have created one method. You can see here. So here by this method I can create multiple constructor object and I can pass the different values. You can see here. So this is the benefit of constructor object. So in this video I will show you, suppose in this object which I created, so in this object we need to pass one additional property. So how I can pass? So here there is two method. Okay, so first of all, suppose you can see I have created one object for the Samsung brand and one for Apple brand. So now suppose this Samsung brand is providing charger. Okay, so how I can do that? So simply here I have to pass one property, or it is called parameter actually. So I have to pass one parameter. You can see when I'm hovering on this, so it is showing parameter. Okay, so in this parameter and here I will assign one variable. Okay, so variable name you can write anything, but I will write the relatable name like chargers. Okay, so here in this chargers I will assign this parameter. Okay, this is the first step. And now this Samsung brand is providing the charger. So when it is providing charger, so here I can pass any value for denoting like it is providing charger. I can pass here yes, or if you want to pass here true. True means it is providing charger. Yeah, true, like that way. Okay, so you can pass here. So now if I save and if I check in the browser, so I printed in console. Again I will show you. Here you can say I printed in the console. So I have to open the console in the browser and see there is two object. Okay, two object name is mobile. Okay, because here the common method I'm using. Okay, you can see, but the multiple values. So here if I expand the first one, so you can see charger, it is showing true. And if I open the second one, you can see chargers undefined. Okay, because for the second object I have created, but I did not pass the third parameter's value. Okay, because I'm using this method for the two objects. Okay, but for the first object I passed the value, but the second object I haven't passed the value. So that's why it is showing undefined. So this way you can do that, but this is not the proper way, right? Because it is showing undefined. Suppose if I want like this property when it is not providing charges, so this property won't show here. Okay, but it will show here because it is providing charger. So then how I can do that? So that will be the main thing. So I will show you here how we can achieve this thing. So now I came back to my code and here I no need to pass this parameter. Okay, so same way if I don't pass the parameter, so no need to assign a variable and the parameter here. So I will remove that one, and also same way no need to pass the value of that parameter. Okay, so this is the initial one. Okay, now here this brand providing charger. So before printing here, this is the variable. Okay, in this variable I created one object. So in this variable here I will use and I will write dot then chargers. Okay, this is the property name which I passed here, right? But I removed now. So that property name you have to pass here, means whatever property name you want to add. So that property name you have to pass here equals to and true. Okay, so now let's see what I will get. Refresh again and you can see here chargers true only for the first object, not for the second one, right? But before that it was showing undefined, so that was not the here. This is the correct one, right? So I hope guys it is clear, and this video was very small. In the next video I will show you the call, apply and bind. Okay, that is the advanced one, but I will show you up in the next video because that is the relatable to our object. So when I'm completing object one, so I will show you the call, apply, bind in the next video. So hope guys this video is helpful. So please like this video and also subscribe my channel to get more update.